I thought about this. So 13 years, 5 lessons. Nobody taught me this, so I am sharing it to you now. Lesson number 1, doing it alone. Pag nag-iisa ka sa isang bansa at wala kang kilala, everything um, is a mistake that might happen. That mistakes made, one conversation with the right person could prevented all of it if I get a mentor. But no, because there's no community, just full price of tuition at the school of trial and error. Number 2, my biggest lesson was losing a lot of money trusting the wrong people. So 140,000 dirhams, I've lost it, and that broke me so badly because of loss of trust. But that loss forced me to stop winging it and build an actual real system. It's expensive, but that's the best teacher I could ever have. Resilience. This is what keeps us strong, especially during COVID times when my mom died and my business is actually shaking. I was inspired. I kept going because I built a process that didn't need me to feel ready. Motivation can run out, but system would not. Hindi madaling magsimula sa scratch, but you can always do it when you wanted to. And that's number 4, the mindset shift. There was a day I realized I was still waiting for permission. Permission to earn more, permission to own something. The moment I stopped asking, everything changed. I stopped trading for time and started building assets. So I think that's the key for all of us. What a retirement actually is not retirement, not actually the beach every day. It's a freedom of choice, not a freedom from everything. I'm not idle. I work because I want to. Nobody can force me to go, and that's the real dream. Which lesson do you need most right now? Drop the number in the comments and I'll reply to each and every one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope some of you have get some insights about of what everything I have just said. Thank you and have a